Welcome back to Bennock's Garage and Happy New Year. One of our most recent purchases was a 2018 Honda CRV. We got it from the Toyota dealer used, and it comes with a key. However, the key shows remote start. The vehicle, no matter what I try, hit lock, I would try to lock the doors, I try to hit the remote start, nothing would happen. The dealership told me that the model that this is does not have remote start on it, that it's only available on the higher end models. This is the EX. So I started doing some research. It didn't make sense. Why did they have a key fob that has a remote start and the vehicle doesn't? So I started playing around with the settings. Go into the settings. Go into home, go into settings, go into vehicle, go into keyless access setup, remote start. My remote start was turned to off. That's all it was. So now, once I turn it to on, you sure you want to switch it on? Yes. All right. You can turn off your car. Everything's good. So now, you have to hold it, or click lock twice till it beeps, and then hold it. So, that's how I got my remote start working. Thanks for watching.